Hello, dear students. Today it's your second geometry lesson. Today's topic is the position of a line and circle, two circles relative to each other. After this lesson, you'll be able to analyze the relative position of a line and a circle, analyze the relative position of two circles. Today's key terms are tangent, жанама, касательная, tangency point, жанама нүктесі, точка касания. Second, секущая. Concentric circles. Концентрлік шеңберлер, концентрические окружности. A line and circle in the same plane can have one of three different positions relative to each other. First one. OH is perpendicular to line L. And the OH, the distance between the center and the H, this point, OH, is bigger than radius. So, line and circle, they have no intersecting points. They have no intersecting point. The second one, if OH is perpendicular to the line L, and the OH is equal to the radius, then they have one intersecting point. It's called H. So each H is the point, only one point, of intersection of the line and this circle. The third one, if OH is perpendicular to line L, and the OH is less than radius. So here we have 2 points, A and B. Definition. What is a tangent? Tangent of the circle is a line which intersects a circle at exactly one point. The intersection point is called the point of tangency. In the figure, we have radius and a tangent line, and their intersecting point is called point of tangency. A segment of the circle is a line which intersects a circle at two different points. In the figure, we have radius and diameter, and the tangency point. Yes, here we have tangency point and the second. Here we have two intersecting points. Example 1. Look at the figure and name all the radii or radius, diameters, chords, seconds, and the tangency of the tangents of circle in the figure. From the last lesson, we know what is the radius, what is the diameter, chord, seconds, yes? So, look at the figure. Here, radius is OB, OC, and OF. Next, diameter. Diameter is FC or CF. Then chords. Chords here, EF. Yes, chords EF. And seconds, ED. And the point of tangency is A, and the tangent line is GF. Definition. Non-intersecting circles. If two circles have no common point, it's called non-intersecting circles. In the first figure, here we have two circles, and the radius of first circle is r1, and the radius of the second circle is r2. So r1 plus r2 is less than a. A is a distance between these two centers, O1 and the O2. This second figure, we have two circles, and the R1 is the radius of bigger, yes, of big circle, and the second radius is R2 here. If R1 minus R2 is bigger than A, then the circles called non-intersecting circles. The third one, here we have A is equal to 0. Then it's called non-intersecting circles. Why? Because both these circles have the same centers, O, point O. Now you have a task for yourself. If two or more circles share the same center, then they are called concentric circles. Now, question: have you ever met such like circles? How do you think? For what people need them? And research these circles. Definition: tangent circles. Two circles which have only one common point A. Tangent circles can be externally tangent or internally tangent. Here we have two circles, and the radius of first circle is r1 and the second one is r2. Then distance between centers RA is A. R1 plus R2 is equal to A. Then it's called externally tangent circles. If R1 minus R2 is equal to A, then it's called internally tangent circles. Intersecting circles, two circles which have common 2 points. First, here we have two circles with radius r1 and r2. If r1 plus r2 is bigger than A, you know A is a distance between two centers, O1 and O2. The sum of two radius is bigger than A, then it's called intersecting circles. And the second figure, we can see 2 points, yes, intersecting 2 points, or AB common chords. O1, O2. It's perpendicular to AB, then we can say AH is equal to HB. Example, the circles in the figure with centers A, B, C. are externally tangent to each other. If AB is equal to 16 centimeter and the BC 12 centimeter and the AC is 14 centimeter are given, find the radii or radius of the circles. So we must find radius. First, we need to write radiuses as R1, R2, and R3. So from the given, you know, R1 plus R2 is 16. Then R2 plus R3 is equal to 12, and R1 plus R3 is 14. Then we must add all of them. We take 2 times in brackets R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 42. R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 21. So from this, we can say R2 plus R3 is equal to 12. So we put here R1 plus 12 is equal to 21. R1 is equal to 9 centimeter. Also, we know R1 plus R2 is equal to 16. From here, we know R1 is equal to 9. 9 plus R2 is equal to 16. R2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to 21. From this given, we know 16. So we write 16 plus R3 is equal to 21. So R3 is equal to 5 centimeter. So we find all these radius. Okay, this task is your home task. Look at the figure and name the tangents, name the seconds, name the chords, name the radii or radius, name the diameters. Thank you for your watching. See you soon.